Hello, everyone, and welcome to my studio apartment where we will be making an attempt at windowsill gardening. Now, we just got these four windows to work with, and these are north facing windows, but still, so far, my two houseplants, have been doing very well. These can handle the shades. I've got this spineless yucca, I believe it's called. Um, it's a beautiful big tree, and there's green leaves visible, new fresh leaves, and yeah, it doesn't seem to have any problems with the lack of light in my apartment, and um, yeah, it's been going strong, and I've got another house plant that has been doing well, which receives a little bit more sunlight than the other plant. This is a Zanzibar gem. I believe it's the official name of this plant. Um, and it's been doing so well, it's really in need of another pot, which I've been too afraid to do because I don't want to damage the roots, but we'll see. That's a challenge for another day. We're not here for houseplants today, we're here for vegetables. Um, yeah, we'll be growing vegetables in the windowsill this spring and summer. And here are my seeds and seedlings. Well, not yet seedlings, not quite seedlings yet, but yeah, these were sown a few days ago. It's now Monday, May 10th, 2021. And yeah, let me show you my seeds there. 18 of them, so it's going to get crowded. 18 containers. Let's water them. It's early in the morning right now, and it's 6-7 in the morning, and I water my little attempts at vegetables and flowers when I get up and before I go to bed each day, and maybe that way they will grow up big and strong. We'll see. Haven't had the chance to garden since elementary school, probably. So here I'm just seeing if these little plants need a little bit extra water. Nope, they're fine, I believe. So let's see what kinds of plants these are. This is my Japanese maple tree. The seeds were sown in March, and these are supposed to take 2 months to germinate, and so around now should be okay. And this one is sown on May 9. These are chili pepper seeds that I got from a store-bought chili pepper. We'll just see if that will work. Here is my first germinating seed. These are snow peas, and then here's my cornflower, which is not showing much action yet, and these are my pumpkin seeds. I'm fully aware that I cannot grow a pumpkin on my windowsill. Well, we're just giving it a shot, and we'll see how this goes, and if it doesn't work out, I can give my pumpkin pots to my, some of my friends or my family members that do have a garden. Like I said, there's a total of 18 pots in this windowsill. I feel like I'm going crazy, but we're just gonna see how it goes. So let's water these plants. Also, as you can see, I have crafted a little stand for them to stand on. Because again, this is a north-facing window. My only windows are north-facing, so that's all I've got to work with. The sun shines through them at around 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening, or night, whatever you want to call that. So with this stand, they get a little bit extra light, and I think those minutes might make a difference. And if not, we'll just see what happens then. I've made these stands out of books, and I covered them because that's what I had laying around, and I covered them in tin foil, just so that if I spilled any water while watering these plants, they wouldn't damage the books. So that's why I made this weird looking construction. I'm not sure if I already said this, but I received these seeds from a supermarket promotion. They were giving away seeds for free when you went grocery shopping, so that's how I ended up with seeds, and that's why we are now attempting to grow a vegetable garden in the windowsill of my tiny studio apartment. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do if these all grow really well, because I would need to move my furniture around for sure to make space for them. So let's see. These are zucchini and phacelia seeds. They're seeds. There's no sign of life in them yet, and these are my lettuce and poppy seeds. So you'll hear me say lettuce and cabbage. I'm not sure what kind of variety these are. We'll just have to see when they pop out. And these are my green beans and my oregano seeds. And in the next spot we have cabbage and dill. So I'm pretty sure the herbs will work out. We'll just have to see about the rest. And then the next two pots are my buckwheat and my radishes. Radishes are showing some movement. They'll probably be visible in the next video. And then there's carrots and chives. So there you go. Those are my 18 pots, and let's give this garden a go, and we'll see where it takes us. Thank you for watching.